Well, you just saw how to put a gadget in the post, but let's see how you put a gadget in the sidebar. So what I want to do is put a little a Google gadget right up here above the sign in for our newsletter. And let's see how that's done. So let's go back to the Google Gadgets, and then I'm going to click on Google Gadgets for your web page. And the only reason I do the search that way is because this address, and you may want to highlight this and bookmark it to get to Google Gadgets. It's a long, odd address, and it's kind of tricky to type in, but nonetheless, we're here. So let's grab a gadget. Now, here's one. It's called Time and Date. So let's add it to your web page, is what it says. Here's what it looks like. Very simple. Now, one of the things you have to be concerned of is look at the width of this gadget. Let's see how that compares to the width of our sidebar. Our sidebar is nowhere near as wide. So I'm going to have to reduce the width to maybe, I see that it's 320. Let's turn that to 200 pixels wide and click Preview Changes and see how that looks. That's going to work fine. Okay, now I can do the clock in a 12-hour or 24-hour. I have some choices I can make here. I'm just going to go to the 12-hour clock, and I see this little bitty sliding bar. I want to get rid of that, and one of the reasons it shows up is because the height is too small. Let's just change that to 140, and that might just do it for us. Let's see what happens. Preview changes. Up, still there. Let's see if we make it 150. See if that'll do it. All right, gone. So this will look pretty good. This is the clock time that I want on my sidebar. Let's go ahead and get the code. I'm going to select all the code, copy it. I'm going to go to my likability marketing blog, and I want to put it over here in the sidebar, and you know how to do that. We'll come up here to Customize, and we're on the Template Page Elements, and I want to add a page element, so let me click on that. Now remember, we just grabbed some code, some script, some code, and the page element we need to use is the HTML JavaScript. So that's what I'm going to click on. Now I can put a header up here, or a title, but I don't want to. It's not necessary. And all I'm going to do right here is paste my code. There it is. Let's save our changes. Let's view our blog. And there you have it. Here is the time and date over here in the top sidebar by using a page element.